Okay, so this next step is it's gonna be pretty short. It's just a continuation of this step right here, part two of it, and then we're gonna again use the experimental on-shape document. Uh, yeah. So the elevation planes you see right here, these will denote specific, I guess you could say like standard elevations. These elevation planes are like the first part said, they're always going to be parallel with the top plane. And then you can see here like this top of drivetrain 2x1. So that would be like you see the 2x1 would like fit. If I can draw it real quick. It would go like the drivetrain 2x1s go like right there, right? So the top of our drivetrain 2x1 is therefore oh, the top of it is like right there on this plane right here, and then you also see the bottom of top MK4i L plate, and this is the bottom of the top of the MK4i L plate. Um, And then I guess another thing, actually, this probably help a lot. You can like expand this plane as well when you make it bigger. I'll do that with this one too. That way you can like very clearly see that that's what plane that's the plane that is covering it. Let's trim this a little bit. So it look like that. Right? So you can kind of see that. Oh, it's this plane right here. That's this plane there. You can import these, or you can derive these planes if you like in your feature documents. However, they're nameless. Like the names don't carry over for some reason, so you can't. At least I don't think they do. Let me see. Yeah, notice the if I do that. Oh no, I lied. The plane. Wait, no, no, I didn't lie. Yeah. Notice that plane. Like I'm inserting this plane here, but the plane doesn't have a name to it. So generally, it's not too helpful. But yeah, that's the plain stuff. The color coding, I think you can kind of see already. There's a bunch of colors here. Typically, the colors I will have labeled in the folders as well, if you ever need to figure that out. The first comment will also have the naming. Orange is full robot, so like our drive, what is this? Yeah, our full robot 2x1 perimeter, things like that. There isn't too much else to this. Oh. And then sketch naming, again, I'm going to be very, very specific with this. Like, bottom, like a lot of time you'll also see these equal signs, which means, uh, two parts. It's the bottom of this part and the top of that part, just so that it helps you know exactly what the elevation of that sketch is. Um, yeah, drivetrain, and then they'll have like it'll also specify specifically for a feature, like it'll say drivetrain dash something something. There might not be a dash, but just know it'll be in the name, and you'll figure that out pretty easily. Um, I don't think there's too much else to the naming, right? Like here it's like the same thing: drivetrain, arm out, stuff like that. Yeah. For the most part, it should be somewhat self-explanatory, at least the sketch naming. That's it, yeah.